Hi, this is Heart Evangelista and you're watching Adventure.Taste.Moments. Today, I will be rating all the roles that I played sa GMA Teleserye. 10. Because feeling ko, as a person, buong-buo na ako. So marami na ako naranasang pain that I was able to turn into art. 10. One of my favorite roles. It was so fun kasi very free-flowing. Marami doon ad-lib. So nag-enjoy ako. Happy would be 8. Kasi sa totoo lang, hiyain din ako makipag-kiss-kiss. Ang daming kiss doon. Christine would be a good 8. Kasi talagang nasampal ako ni Lovie noong mga panahong yun. But we're good friends, so it was fine. It was also very challenging because it was heavy drama. Dwarfina would be a 10. One of my most challenging roles. But it was really nice because I was able to, exercise lahat ng mga pinag-aralan ko sa acting nung bata ako. Nagamit ko doon. Alwina is an 8. I was there for just a short time, but na-enjoy ko din siya dahil nakapag-harness ako at nakalipad ako and pangarap ko yun. Luna Mystica would be a 10. I really love playing gray characters and it was fulfilling kasi image-wise, lalo na mga panahong yun, hindi nila ako na-hate kasi dalawa sila, mabait at masama. Well, I think I'm going to be doing something that is very new sa GMA, so that is something that you have to look forward to. This is Heart and thank you so much for watching Adventure.Taste.Moments.